Okay, there's one more piece of the frame to be completed. I'm copying in the sketch that I copied into the last one. Okay, so we've made this one, we've made the one that goes at the base, and now we need to make a piece to go here on the left hand side, and then we'll just have a duplicate of it on the other side. Okay, so the idea is that we're making something that fits here. We're going to do that on the right plane, so sketch on the right plane, and I want it to be, this here is 50 millimeters high, but we've already got a base plate and that's 3 millimeters high, so we're going 50 minus 3 is, let's just stick that in there. So I'm going to move this over a little bit, and I want to stick that in the center. I can actually have a center line that goes through the center like that. That should anchor, I think. Let's check that that's vertical. Vertical. Oh, I see. Sorry, whoops. Hang on. Highlight, highlight, vertical. There we go. So now we have it running through the center, and I need to make it 47 millimeters high. So type in 47 there, and then whoops, the base was 5 centimeters wide plus little tab, minus little tabs. So we want this to be 5 centimeters wide minus little tabs. So that is 2 tabs, 6 mil, 50 millimeters minus 6 millimeters is 44 millimeters. Okay, so that should be the right size for the left hand and right hand side, and we just need to add the little tabs on here. So rectangle, let's get that the right size. So 3 mil and 15 mil. Okay, and now I want that distance there to be 18 millimeters. Oh, no, because we've taken 3 off, so 15 millimeters. There we go. And now we're going to mirror that to the other side. So let's select our little tab and mirror entities, and in the mirror about we're going to put in that construction line that we put in, and then tick. There they are, they both match, and now I can use my trim entities to get rid of those lines. There we go. Right, so exit the sketch. We're going to make it 3 millimeters. Whoops, one. Features, extrude boss base. 3 millimeters and tick. Okay, looking good. Control 1, Control 3, that's us. Okay, I can get rid of that. And save. Okay. Now we need a couple of cylinders that will act as our dowels when we assemble it all together into an assembly. So let's make a new one for that. Part. Okay, we have a couple of dowels to make. I'm just going to use the front plane. A dowel is a rectangle that's been rotated or a circle that's been extruded. I'm going to make a circle that's been extruded. So I'm going to draw that circle on the origin. We have a center dowel that's 6 millimeters wide, and we have the dowels that join all of the wheels together, and that's 4 millimeters, so I have to make both. So we'll do one at a time. Smart to mention this circle. Make this one 4 millimeters. Exit sketch. Let's extrude that. Extrude. I'm going to extrude from the center, and I want it to be, I've got the whole base being 50 millimeters wide, and I need the Ferris wheel to fit inside that 50 millimeters. So if we take it down, that's 44 millimeters. So I'm going to make this dowel 40 millimeters long so that when I join the two Ferris wheel pieces, they all end up being 40 millimeters apart all the way around, and that will fit inside my frame. If I get this wrong, it's fine. I can always come back and edit it. But let's just do it at 40 millimeters for now. Okay. And okay. 4 mm dowel. Okay, now I can save this as 6 mm dowel and just edit it. So I want to open that, edit the sketch, see how I'm editing the sketch there. So I want to make this 6 instead of 4. Tick, exit sketch. Then I want the extrusion, edit the extrusion, so that it's no longer 40 millimeters wide and it's more like 60 millimeters will probably do it. Yeah, let's go with 60 millimeters for now. We can always change it later. Okay. So now the 6 millimeter dowel's done. Save.